So here's the breakdown. I'm going to give it to you and everybody else because we have so many new members, right? So this is the breakdown when you guys get in here. The very first thing I would do is I'd recommend everybody head over to the frequently asked questions. It's FAQ Start Here channel. When you guys go over to the FAQ Start Here channel, it's going to give you a list of everything. It's talking about cash accounts. It'll tell you don't talk to anybody that's in here because it's, I don't want people being scammed. It'll tell you exactly where to go. So every day before the bell rings, I always post the hot stock picks. All right. So every day before the bell rings, you want to look at that. Don't worry. I always announce it in the membership lounge. I'll say, and the general area. I tell everybody like, hey, here it is, gang. This is the hot stock picks. This is what we're going to start watching. Pre-market, you can trade it if you're an experienced trader. Otherwise, stay away from it. But you want to start charting it, trending it, and checking it out because that's what we're going to watch right at the bell, right? Also, watch the membership lounge for any of my call outs. I'll post news or anything that I'm trading pre-market in case there's something good. If you are ready to start training, you'll head over to that videos on demand area, right? Where I've got different things like call options, put options, cash secured puts, like all these training videos. So spend time in there. If you're new and you need a broker on the left-hand side, if you have not signed up for one yet, on the left-hand side, there's a channel called Webull Free Stocks. That is an affiliate account. We both get some fractional shares for you signing up. You can use that. After you're done with that, in our ADT education, which is free to all of you to use. By the way, I've got all the stock terms that you need to know. I've got tons of ebooks that you can read. I've got like stock games in there for you guys to check out, flashcards, candles, patterns, everything you need to know. There's also a how-to videos section. If you click in the how-tos video section, it actually shows you how to set up your Webull desktop app to look identical to mine. That way, when we're doing what we're doing, you guys can easily follow along. There's also under the paid members area, by the way, if you're a lifetime, annual, or a monthly member, you will get access to the paid members area, which has all of the paid things underneath it. If you're a lifetime member, you'll also get access to the lifetime lounge. It's just a special lounge. We haven't done anything yet with it, but that's only for lifetime members. No one else can see that lounge area. But we will always, for the most part, paid members, always be talking inside of the membership lounge.